How to fix this kind of plastic. So we need to hold in place. So that's it. You can see through opposite side. Flash or not? We have a little gap, like 2 mil maybe. I clamp down the plastic to make it level. We're gonna fix with Plastex. This is powder, hardener. Squeeze one drop, and then collect, maybe. And squeeze a little bit more, and then it's gonna drop. Then you turn around and there you go. And that's how it looks. Then it's time to sand it. And there you go. After a little bit of sanding, the last finish touch, I'm using this one. Fills surfaces, scratches and stones. And to show you how smooth it is, you can spray. This is just a random white paint, just to show you. And there you go. You can't even see something was there. Very nice. If I help you, please support my channel and see you soon.